Moving the camper out so I can do some work on the outside, get it closer to the garage. I'm actually going to show you where it goes for the summer. Here's the parking spot. There's extra pieces to finish up this up here. Propane storage. Here's a mega slide. This is a 12-foot slide. 12-foot slide. I gotta put a new drip rail on there because somebody took it off there. I already got it. I think there was supposed to be an awning, maybe. I don't know. But it drips water when the slide's all the way closed. Here's the back of it. Oh, I'll kind of give you. I didn't use. I used rubber roofing, but I used house rubber roofing because it's cheaper, and you got to coat it. They say coat it quite a bit. Coat it every couple of years. So I figured if I'm gonna coat it, I'll coat it white. But it is black. There's skylight. I actually got another one of those for that. That's the bathroom. I gotta put in the, oh, it's right here, the exhaust tube for the bathroom. The shower don't need one, so it's cut out, but I'm not cutting it. There's the vent for the kitchen sink. But yeah, this is just a little sneak peek of its roof. I got to get some, I seam sealed it. I got to seam seal some other pieces. And I got to put some new rubber in. I don't know what they call that, but it's all busted up. This one came up during the winter. There's the other side. Gotta do fiberglassing. Finish up the fiberglass and bodywork up here so I can get it under color. Get some white on it so I can put this trim back on. Yeah, there's one window. This is probably gonna take longer to finish up the front. Got a fifth wheel hitch in the truck. Fifth wheel hitch in the truck. It normally parks here for the winter. I'm trying to clean up my backyard, and due to the backyard when it rains, it gets really muddy back there. I don't want to tear up the yard anymore than I have to anymore. That's where it gets parked for the winter. I actually jackknife it. It takes me a few times, but I end up putting it over here for the winter or the summer. Sticks out in the drive a little bit, but I ain't worried about that. But this is where it's gonna go. I actually rearranged a little bit, got rid of some stuff. Somebody asked me about the rat rod. Yeah, it's still here. Don't know if I'm gonna finish it or if I'm gonna send it off to somebody else. Here's the parts board edge. But yeah, the camper's gonna go right here. That's why this is opened up. There used to be a fence right here, from here all the way down to that pole, all the way down to here and across, and I ended up taking it out so I could have my driveway back, because that's actually part of the driveway originally. But yeah, this is just a little update of what I'm doing, what's going on. It's gonna get a bath. But I gotta get it dug out so I can get it ready for the auto swap meet, because I go to the auto swap meet in the beginning of May, and want it for that. Gotta finish some things up. I got the refrigerator hole covered due to It was the winter time and I was doing work. There's the back of the refrigerator there. I gotta still screw it down, get it in place so it won't go anywhere. But I'll give you an update on the inside. But hopefully you like this video. If you do, please like, share, subscribe, comment. I will get the awning on this side. I shortened it. It's sitting over here. I did shorten it. I just haven't got it on yet, because I want to do this side, finish the body work. Then it'll go on. Then I can buy new vinyl for it. Need to buy a new latch for here. I was actually at the store today, the RV store, because my freshwater drain, here it is. My freshwater drain, the plastic was so brittle, so I ended up buying a new one. None of these companies are sponsors, so I shouldn't even show their names. But if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching.